Imagine this. It's Friday night, and the craving for a perfectly charred, cheesy pizza hits hard. But instead of dialing delivery or braving the cold for a restaurant, you fire up your own pizzeria in the comfort of your kitchen. Enter this Cuisinart Indoor Pizza Oven, a game changer for pizza lovers who want authentic, artisanal 12-inch pizzas without leaving home. This countertop marvel promises Neapolitan-style pies in just 5 minutes with a versatile temperature range of 350 degrees Fahrenheit to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, a sleek stainless steel design, and a complete pizza-making kit. Why choose the Cuisinart Indoor Pizza Oven? Pizza is more than just food. It's an experience. Whether you're dreaming of a classic margherita with a leopard-spotted crust or a loaded Detroit-style deep dish, the Cuisinart Indoor Pizza Oven delivers pizzeria-quality results in your kitchen. Unlike standard ovens that max out at 550 degrees Fahrenheit, this countertop appliance reaches a scorching 700 degrees Fahrenheit, mimicking the intense heat of traditional wood-fired ovens. With its radiant heat and active cooling technology, it's engineered for indoor use, making it perfect for year-round pizza parties no matter the weather. Plus, it comes with everything you need to get started: a 12.5-inch pizza stone, a deep dish pan, and a stainless steel pizza peel. Let's break down what makes this oven a standout. Key features and benefits. Versatile temperature range, 350 degrees Fahrenheit to 700 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're crafting a thin, crispy New York slice or a thick, cheesy Detroit-style pie, the oven's wide temperature range ensures perfect results. It preheats in 20-30 minutes, delivering consistent radiant heat for professional-grade pizzas. Quick cooking time. After preheating, Neapolitan pizzas cook in 5 minutes or less, making it ideal for feeding a crowd or satisfying late-night cravings. No more waiting around for dinner. Complete pizza-making kit. The included 12.5-inch heat-conducting pizza stone creates a crispy, golden crust, while the deep dish pan is perfect for specialty pizzas. The stainless steel pizza peel makes sliding pies in and out a breeze, even for beginners. Convenient monitoring. A large viewing window and interior light let you watch your pizza transform without opening the door, preserving heat and ensuring even cooking. User-friendly design. An integrated cooking guide on the front panel offers temperature and time recommendations for various pizza styles. Simple controls and an independent countdown timer take the guesswork out of cooking. Indoor optimized technology. Active cooling technology keeps the exterior safe to touch and prevents your kitchen from overheating, making it a practical choice for indoor use. Sleek and portable. With its stainless steel finish and compact dimensions, this oven looks stylish on any countertop and is easy to store or move. These features combine to create an appliance that's as functional as it is fun, empowering you to experiment with endless pizza styles and toppings. Benefits that make a difference. Why should you invest in the Cuisinart Indoor Pizza Oven? Here are 3 standout benefits. Restaurant quality results at home. The 700 degree Fahrenheit temperature and pizza stone replicate the conditions of a professional pizzeria, giving you crispy crusts, bubbly cheese, and authentic flavors without the hefty price tag. Time-saving convenience. With 5-minute cook times and easy-to-use controls, you can whip up artisanal pizzas faster than delivery, perfect for busy weeknights or impromptu gatherings. Versatile cooking options. Beyond pizza, this oven tackles focaccia, calzones, breads, and even roasted vegetables or grilled meats, making it a multi-purpose kitchen tool. Whether you're a pizza purist or a creative home chef, these benefits translate into better meals, more fun in the kitchen, and serious bragging rights. If you love pizza, value convenience, and want to elevate your home cooking, this oven is tailored to your needs. Pros and cons. No product is perfect, so here's a balanced look at the Cuisinart Indoor Pizza Oven. Pros. Reaches 700 degrees Fahrenheit for authentic pizzeria-style pizzas. Cooks 12-inch pizzas in 5 minutes or less after preheating. Includes a complete pizza making kit, stone, pan, peel. User-friendly, with a cooking guide and simple controls. Compact and stylish for small kitchens. Versatile for various pizza styles and other dishes. Cons. 20-30 minute preheat time can feel long. Fan noise during operation may bother some users. Timer requires manual activation. These drawbacks are minor compared to the oven's performance and value, especially for the price point. Final verdict: a slice above the rest. The Cuisinart Indoor Pizza Oven is a must-have for anyone who craves authentic artisanal pizza at home. Its 700 degrees Fahrenheit heat, quick cooking times, and complete pizza-making kit make it a standout in the crowded world of countertop appliances. Whether you're a pizza purist, a busy parent, or a home entertainer, this oven delivers restaurant-quality results with minimal effort. From crispy Neapolitan crusts to gooey deep dish pies, it's a versatile, user-friendly tool that transforms pizza night into a culinary adventure. Don't settle for soggy takeout or standard oven pizzas. Elevate your game with Cuisinart. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.